inside the hospital family. Today the big day, I sign up for the Lion Man upgrade. No more street mud, me a jungle king now. You see the ball dog will walk going down there. A new room in my head in a. But truth, him should have followed me for the main transplant. The photo on the screen now, that's how the doctor said me I go look after the transplant. Real alpha. I got some eyesight problems too, but me deal with that later. Right now, me just want the main swing when breeze blow. Real. Me I talk to you when the surgery done.
Me there have to give you the anesthesia, Maximus, to make you drop asleep before the surgery.
Seen.
Sure, I can feel it take hold quick you know. My head start float off already.
And don't worry, me I'll be right here for when you wake up from your uterine surgery.
What? Neuter. Bumbo clat. Girl them love me swing. Nurse, wanna carry or catch me. This dog keep him balls like national treasure. Me sprinting faster than Bolt to save the family jewels. What that? Ball dog grow back fur and him rocking me Lion Man.
I pay for do a job and the balance of your cement mix off.
Balance? You can't even balance your light bill. JPS cut your current last week. I hope you can balance my pay.
Maximus, you're too bright. But when your boss come back, me I run tell him how you're going.
Easy woman, calm down. No worry yourself. Me I build up this wall stronger than your marriage. No need for report to the boss. Me nah have to stand for this foolishness.
Hey. Me can smell alcohol on your breath.
Spider.
Lord, forget the boss, me and fire you on sight.
Wanna ungrateful, not even all the blocks fall down. You think you can pay me for all the ones still up? Me so broke now, me have to fart on my wallet just to get gas money for drive home. Them call it crooked, me call it abstract artistry where concrete world not ready for. A little sea breeze and blow, and the wall did fall down, and now me fault that.
Excuse me, my car make a squeaky noise when I break it.
Smell like you carry market territory upon the wrong lamppost. If any mechanic tell you 600 for new brake system, them are teeth bigger than me.
What, so you say you rob me?
Listen, me not rob people, me give them the experience of being robbed. Very professional service.
So you any different for the scammers online?
Online scammer take your credit card, me take your cash, your trust, a couple parts out your car, and then your spare tire too.
What the rest me hearing?
If a mechanic never teeth one part, him not certified yet. That's a graduation ceremony. But don't worry, you're in safe hands.
Sure.
All right, me try a little some. Go forward and press your brakes slowly. The struggle real. You sure you want a mechanic? Scrap yard further down the road.
Boss, car not start, it dead? Please tell me it's not serious.
Boy, your car not dead. It there in a coma. Give me one jump lead and it'll go wake up like Viagra commercial. Boss, me beg you, fix the engine, not my love life. This car suffering from low self-esteem, needs motivation. You sure it's mechanic shop me stepping up and not psychiatrist office?
Yo, boss, where my car there?
It round the back, make me still work on it, you know?
Yeah.
Really, cause I swear me I see you with the whole family and my car headed to church last Sunday.
Me just want to pray over my repair.
They have 80% off on the premium dog food down at the pet section. For little small change, Jah provide. Premium? Nah man, that powdery nonsense for Instagram dog. My stomach crave real seasoning, not mystery pebble. Keep that premium food for stush dog. Me tired here hype and so-called hybrid. German shepherd this, pit bull that, French bulldog that. Them can't even take sun too long. Them out there faint like diva. Oh, my paws hot. Oh, me need ice water. Brother, me a mongrel, me drink pipe water and still live for long. Original dog, my brethren.
Security when I not do one a job. Dog in a supermarket, treading around with chain like superstar in my life better than me.
My client bet is that damn dog, Mad Max.
Me a pick some chicken back at the true Jamaican national bird. Wait, are we this? Oh.
Be honest, my people. I try stand still and blend in. You think Mr. Chin see me? Anyway, my people, price on this imported chicken hot like pepper sauce. Look like the chicken fly business class for reach ya.
Move! My can't see a face now, my people. Real food price sky high. And this was the last pack till some idiot fling it on the ground.
Good morning, sir.
Them say mongrel versatile. Who else can turn garbage bag into Gucci marks? Supermarket full of food. And you see why I'm buy at the till?